For the site delivery team, you're operating with either a 22-foot flatbed straight truck with a Moffett attached to the back that you see behind me, or a 36-foot combination truck, tractor trailer and Moffett as well. So we run from Monday through Saturday. We do deliveries from 5:20 in the morning, which is your start time, and then you get at the end of your route, which could be anywhere from 11 a.m. to 4 p.m. You close out your day, you check in with your team, and then you go home every day. So the type of freight that we would ask you to be hauling is generally building materials. What you'll be carrying around is anything from drywall to lumber, concrete to diamond pure footings, and everything in between. You'll be working with a dedicated team here at the FDC in Rosemount, Minnesota, who's here entirely to support you.
What excites me about this particular team is that they are really a team effort. It starts at the top and it works its way all the way down to the bottom. A whole group of people that are really concerned for how you can get the job done to the best of your ability. And they offer that to you. Whether if you're a new person or even if you've been here for 4, 5, 6, 7 years, you have questions that you bring to the forefront, and the team is actually there. They bring in donuts, you get some food, you get coffee, you have a good time, get your questions answered, and it really kind of makes it feel like, hey, we got a good team environment here.
So the Home Depot account is unlike any different type of trucking I've ever done. Here, you show up and your trailer's already preloaded in the morning. And then you're driving from A to B to C to D to E to F. So there's all these different stops that you have to do. Every day is different. So it's a little bit different than what you might normally see driving a truck. So the best type of driver that I've seen that comes in here and be able to perform really at a high level is the type of driver who is not looking for just a day-to-day same routine. A driver who shows up and is motivated and dedicated to be able to tackle every day with a sense of enthusiasm, you have a collective, cohesive team that works really well together. So what you're going to find for a driver that's able to perform really at a high level here is somebody who is not looking for just a routine. They're looking for a challenge.